Okay, so our cheap Volvo XC70 is back from the uh, frame shop. So it has all the parts already installed. So here we have the front and the rebar, radiator support, and headlights. Everything is installed. The hood is just repaired. It is not the hood we're gonna use. We have a hood already painted, so this one was just left for the time being, but has good gaps, so that was the only important part. And so right now I'm gonna install the hood, and then the bumper will be installed. Just I'm waiting for the bumper because it's being repaired and then needs to be painted. So the car is basically done. The frame is adjusted, the rail on the left side, and everything is installed, as we can see here. So now I'm gonna problematic part to get because it's so huge, and probably $300-400 you have to pay for this one. I had to drive 3 hours each way to get the hood and radiator support, and I paid I think $600 for both, radiator support and a hood. So it's not bad, but I had to go and drive it because nobody would ship it to me. So, and it's not doesn't make any sense if you're gonna pay $300 for shipping on the pallet and still don't know if it's gonna come in one piece, not damaged. So there you go. All the parts I listed on this car, and after all, it's still gonna be a good deal because these go for like around 7,000, and this one is with clean title. So and there wasn't much damage. Fenders are original. One headlight only was replaced, and hood, radiator support, grille, bumper, and airbag and seat belts. So there you go.